Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to 英語一日一言. Are you ready for some dictation? Yes? Alright, now let's get started right away. I'm going to say an English phrase and I want you to write it down on a piece of paper or your notebook. Ready? I'll say it twice. Here I go. I'm sorry I'm late. I'm sorry I'm late. Write it down and we'll talk about what it means. Okay, so the phrase I said was, I'm sorry I'm late. I'm sorry I'm late. This phrase is commonly used to apologize for being late. When you say, I'm sorry I'm late, you're acknowledging that you did not arrive on time and are expressing regret for the delay. All right, now let's say it together. I'm sorry I'm late. I'm sorry I'm late. Okay, so notice how I put all the words together. I connected all the words. I'm sorry I'm late. Okay, now let's try saying it at normal speed. I'm sorry I'm late. I'm sorry I'm late. Okay, good job. Now, let's talk about usage. So for example, if you arrive late to a meeting, you could say, I'm sorry I'm late. There was a lot of traffic. Or if you're late to a dinner with friends, you might say, I'm sorry I'm late. My boss didn't let me leave. Okay, so it's always good to have a reason after I'm sorry I'm late. Okay, you should explain why you are late. If you have, if you're just having lunch dinner with your friends, nothing special, just casual lunch dinner, and you're late, you might just say I'm sorry I'm late. That'd be enough. But if it's like an event, it's probably better to, well, even if it's a casual meeting, I think an explanation would be nice. Okay, so please try to say something after I'm sorry I'm late. Okay, so anyway, I love to hear from you. Can you think of a time when you had to apologize for being late? How late were you? How many minutes, how many hours were you late? And what did you say? What was your reason for being late? Please share your experiences in the comment section below, okay? All right, so thank you very much for watching today's 一日一言. Remember, it's important to apologize when you're late. It shows respect for others' time. Right? Yeah? Okay. Anyway, so don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to keep up with my daily phrases. So see you in the next video, and remember, it's never too late to learn something new. Bye!